Hello and welcome back to KNF Design. If you're new here, my name is Katie and I try to bring a wide variety of different craft projects to you. If you ever have a craft project you would like me to show you how to make or just want to see me try to make it, let me know down below and I'll try my best to bring that to you. If you like today's craft project, make sure to hit those thumbs up. It really does mean a lot to me and it helps bring my crafting videos to more crafters like you. Don't forget to also hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. That way you don't miss out on any of our crafting fun. So with that, let's get crafting.
So to start, I made my board. You could just buy a board. I ended up gluing 3 pieces of vinyl floorboard together to create my backing here. And then I used my vinyl. I used this really pretty, like, reflective holographic vinyl from Dollar Tree. And I laid down my design onto my backing board here. You could use movable if you don't want the vinyl to show and you'd pour it up after you lay down your lights, your LED lights. But I liked it. I thought it helped it show up better during the day when it wasn't lit as well. So then the next step was to mark all the areas I thought I might need to weave my lights, my LED lights down. So as you can see here at the K, it was a really short turn, so that's why I did a drop down underneath, so to help with turns. And then if you jump from like the K to the hood, you don't want to show the lights there, so that's another area. I drilled a hole and dropped down. So I marked all my holes first, then took a drill and just drilled it right through my boards. My husband is helping me here feed, and it just goes a little bit quicker with the extra set of hands. So once the design was all laid out, it was time for the LED lights. And as you can see, we applied both hot glue and Gorilla Glue. The hot glue kind of helps hold that Gorilla Glue, the wires, until the Gorilla Glue fully dried. The Gorilla Glue was a nice, stronger, more permanent bond. The hot glue alone didn't seem to be enough. I also laid down some weights on top just to hold down my wires so it did not move. And you just saw there, that was what the back of my board looked like. So you don't need that much to go through to get these nice, clean curves. So yeah, I think with the hot glue and the Gorilla Glue, then holding it down with some weights until that Gorilla Glue fully cured, worked very well. You just try not to be too messy with the glue, but really I don't think it was too big of an issue for us. It is a little bit of a time-consuming process, but the end result was really pretty, and it's just slow going. You just keep moving as you go. It wasn't too difficult. The biggest is the planning. So if you get the planning right, then it should be good. You can plan it on the computer or when you have your design laid out, and then just use like a pencil to mark areas where you think you would need to drill those holes before you drill all the holes. Then you can make sure you have enough LED lights for your whole design. And I'm just using a little bit of a plastic bag to help wipe off any excess glue. You could use paper towels as well, I just had the bag. And that's it.